The pioneer of electric vehicles, Tesla, is setting out on a daring adventure that is drawing attention and raising questions. They're getting ready to make a significant cross-border investment in a gigafactory. The real reason for this move may just chill you to the bone, but here's the kicker. We're going to get deep into Tesla's massive investment in a gigafactory in Mexico in this video. We'll discuss the genuinely terrifying ramifications of Tesla's decision, as well as why Mexico is its next strategic move. Stay in as we unveil the details of Tesla's ambitious plan in Mexico, the underlying causes, and the reasons it's causing a stir of anxiety in the sector. However, if you would like to see more of this kind of content, please hit the like button and remember to subscribe to Tesla Stock News. Okay, let's get going. The investment needed for Tesla's proposed gigafactory in Mexico is significantly more than previously stated. Governor Samuel Garcia of Nuevo Leon has disclosed that over the next 2 years, Tesla and its suppliers plan to invest a staggering $15 billion in the gigafactory. This amount is 3 times higher than the initial estimate made by Mexican officials. The CEO of Tesla, Elon Musk, stated earlier this year that the business plans to open a gigafactory in northern Nuevo Leon in order to increase its global footprint. Musk did not reveal the precise investment amount at the time, but Mexican officials suggested it would be in the neighborhood of $5 billion. Governor Samuel Garcia's most recent disclosure, however, suggests that Tesla and its partners have committed a substantially higher sum of money. It is anticipated that this sizable capital infusion will strengthen the regional economy and generate a sizable number of job opportunities. However, in order to accommodate the expansion, more money will need to be spent on infrastructure projects like public works and roadways. Although Tesla hasn't formally stated when it would begin building and producing cars at the Gigafactory, rumors have it that the company plans to start producing electric vehicles in Mexico by 2025. This is in line with Tesla's continuous initiatives to increase production capacity and satisfy the rising demand for electric cars. First, there were rumors that Tesla's large-scale robotaxi project and its $25,000 electric vehicle will be constructed in the Gigafactory in Mexico on a cutting-edge platform. But according to Elon Musk's recently published biography by Walter Isaacson, the business has chosen to move the next-generation electric vehicle's initial production to its Austin, Texas, Gigafactory. For the new vehicle to be successful, engineers would rather work on-site at the production site, which is the main logistical reason for this change. This choice underscores how important Tesla's Texas Gigafactory is becoming as a major center of production for the company's next electric vehicles. Although established automakers such as BMW, General Motors, and Ford have also declared their intention to increase their electric vehicle production in Mexico, Tesla's significant investment in the area signifies their resolute dedication to the Mexican market, as well as their aspirations for the electric vehicle industry to continue expanding globally. The potential impact of Tesla's growth in Mexico on the automobile industry's overall shift towards electric power and environmentally friendly transportation options is significant. Yes, it's interesting to see how Tesla intends to grow, particularly in terms of gigafactories. At the moment, Tesla has 3 gigafactories in the US, the largest of which is located in Nevada. Tesla's ability to meet the growing demand for electric automobiles is made possible in large part by these factories. It is true that Tesla made a big decision when it decided to locate a gigafactory in Nuevo Leon, Mexico. It looks like this next gigafactory will be bigger than the previous one, possibly even bigger than Giga Texas. Its significance stems from the expectation that it will serve as the principal location for the development of Tesla's next-generation car platform. For Tesla, this platform is revolutionary since it will give life to their much-awaited economic car, which is popularly known as the Model 2 or the $25,000 Tesla. Elon Musk thinks this affordable vehicle will sell more than all of the other Tesla models put together. Thus, the corporation will reach a major milestone with the development and production of this vehicle at Giga Mexico. Tesla has secured a gigantic 4,200-acre block of land for the factory, marking their largest footprint to date, in order to support this ambitious endeavor. Tesla usually uses the surrounding acreage for auxiliary support infrastructure like battery cell manufacturing, drive unit production, and power generation, even if the factory itself may not look to be much larger than Giga Texas. As part of its aim to localize its supply chain and ensure a smoother production process, Tesla is consolidating its infrastructure in one location. It's important to remember, nevertheless, that Giga Mexico's development might not be as quick as that of earlier gigafactories, like Giga Shanghai. This is a result of Tesla launching a whole new manufacturing system with the next generation platform that places a strong emphasis on efficiency and automation. Even if it takes longer, the objective is to optimize the production process from the beginning. There are factors other than labor costs that led to Giga Mexico's decision to locate in Mexico. China offers cheap labor, but there are tactical benefits to growing into Mexico. With Giga Mexico, Tesla hopes to establish a self-sufficient manufacturing environment that will streamline production and lessen dependency on imported parts. This is consistent with Tesla's objective to transform the automotive sector through localized production and increased accessibility to electric automobiles across the globe. It is evident that Tesla is dedicated to realizing its long-term goal of sustainable transportation and electric mobility as the firm grows its global presence and makes investments in cutting-edge production processes. Giga Mexico is another step towards achieving this goal and gets Tesla one step closer to manufacturing an electric car that is more widely available and inexpensive. Using its Gigafactory to produce the next generation car platform is one of the main components of Tesla's Mexican strategy. The Model 2 or $25,000 Tesla is the name given to Tesla's initial economic vehicle, which is anticipated to be powered by this platform. Elon Musk has highlighted that this car could sell more than all other Tesla models put together, which would be a significant turning point for the business. The fact that this new platform is being produced at Giga Mexico emphasizes how important it is. Tesla has acquired a substantial 4,200 acres of land for the facility. Tesla's history with prior gigafactories indicates that the surrounding acreage will be used for auxiliary support infrastructure such as battery cell manufacture, drive unit production, and power generation, even though the early renderings may not show a factory that is noticeably larger than Giga Texas. With this strategy, Tesla can house all of the infrastructure required for manufacturing in one place, which lessens the company's dependency on imports from far-off places like Nevada. For this new platform, Tesla is launching a highly automated and effective production process that will allow the front, back, and sides of the vehicle to be constructed separately and simultaneously. After that, these parts are assembled together for the final time. This creative strategy calls for careful preparation and execution in addition to the launch of a new car model. In contrast to the quick speed of Giga Shanghai's production, which made use of Fremont's prior knowledge, Giga Mexico is a fresh start for Tesla and calls for meticulous manufacturing process calibration. Beyond the obvious labor savings, what makes Mexico especially desirable for Tesla's growth? There are various strategic factors at play. The goal of Tesla's concentration on automation and process optimization in production is to increase productivity per worker unit. Consequently, human labor becomes more economical. Labor costs are undoubtedly advantageous in the instance of Giga Mexico, but they are not the only factor in the choice. Although labor costs in Mexico are unquestionably lower than in the US, this isn't the only factor in Tesla's choice to grow into Mexico. In terms of manufacturing and automation, Tesla has led the way, making the most of human labor through the development of highly efficient industrial processes is their aim. This indicates that although labor expenses are a consideration, Tesla is concentrating on streamlining its production to increase output. In addition, the Mexican market is a pivotal point for Tesla's upcoming major plan. It's crucial to remember that Giga Mexico will operate as a center for international exports while producing automobiles mainly for the Mexican market. This tactical move is in line with Tesla's awareness of the wide range of global consumer preferences. Although the ordinary American customer may not favor the new vehicle platform, it is in line with the tastes of many other countries where tiny automobiles are in high demand due to space limitations and narrow highways. Mexico's vast network of free trade agreements with 50 other nations is another tactical advantage it offers. By contrast, the U.S. only has free trade agreements with 20 nations. This makes Mexico a desirable site for businesses such as Tesla, who can reach a large target market for their cars without having to worry about import duties. This benefit bolsters the business case for growing into Mexico even more. Furthermore, Tesla's choice to make investments in Mexico fits in with the larger nearshoring movement. This pattern developed in reaction to problems in the global supply chain, including as the COVID-19 epidemic and trade disputes between the United States and China. By situating production sites as close to consumer markets as feasible, a practice known as nearshoring helps to reduce problems with international shipping lanes, congested ports, and weak points in the supply chain. Giga Mexico is located in the state of Nuevo Leon, which is already a booming center for manufacturing. The capital city of Monterrey is home to a number of notable establishments, such as the Monterrey Institute of Technology, as well as tall skyscrapers, exquisite architecture, an international airport, and other noteworthy infrastructure. Not only has Tesla shown interest in this area, but other businesses have as well, particularly Chinese enterprises that had established production plants close to Tesla's Gigafactory location. The entry of Tesla into Mexico marks a dramatic change in the company's international operations. It involves more than just finding inexpensive labor. It also involves streamlining manufacturing procedures, focusing on a variety of markets, and utilizing Mexico's strategic advantages. Tesla wants to develop a highly automated, inventive, and efficient manufacturing method. Separate and concurrent vehicle assembly will be possible thanks to the next-generation vehicle platform. Parts, thus cutting down on assembly time. With this strategy, Tesla may guarantee top-notch output while conceivably saving labor expenses. Tesla's emphasis on building cars that suit local tastes is a reflection of its awareness of how diverse the global auto industry is. Compact cars are very popular in places with small roads, even though larger vehicles may be the norm in other locations. With the production of these little cars in Mexico, Tesla hopes to reach a global market. Mexico has a huge economic advantage thanks to its vast network of free trade agreements. It makes cost-effective exports possible and solidifies Tesla's standing as a major participant in the global electric vehicle industry.